How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to iPhone. Go to your phone screen. Now go to the search bar on your phone and type Settings. Once you find Settings, click on it to open. When you're on the Settings page, scroll down until you see Apple Wallet, Apple Pay. Click on Apple Wallet, Apple Pay, and it will take you to the Wallet Settings page. On this page, look for the Add Card option and click on it. When it brings up the next screen, you'll see an option to continue. Press Continue to proceed. You can now add your Vanilla Visa gift card by selecting the option Enter Card Details manually. Carefully input all your card details and ensure everything is accurate before confirming. And that is how you add your Vanilla Visa gift card to your iPhone. Thanks for watching.